Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to do a beautiful sugar nail art. Have a wee preview of it in here. Yes, I'm going to show you step by step how to recreate this look, and I hope you will really enjoy watching this tutorial. If you're new in here, hit the subscribe button, lots of tutorials in here. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much guys for all your likes, comments and shares. Let's start. We are going to do a very delicate set. So the thumb nail is a sugar nail, and I will show you on another nail how to create a sugar, so I have done it here already. There are tutorials on this channel how to create a full sculpted set of the nails or a set of the tips as well. I have attached the card for you. So the pink is going to be a sugared nail as well. And what you would do is, depending on the color you want to achieve, so you will paint the color you want and then just apply the top coat over it and then sprinkle with the sugar. So I'm just going to apply the top coat because I want the nails to be white. And then using a sugar glitter, I will also give you the link in the description as well of the video for the sugar. It is awesome. And then sprinkle it. It looks fantastic, and on different colors it will look slightly different, which is really great as well. Remove the excess and then give it a cure. Okay, on this nail we are going to paint a beautiful design. So using the foil design gel, we are going to create our design. This is going to be a very delicate kind of wedding style set of the nails. So we are going to paint a wee outline. And then some flowers. Okay, so couple petals. And I really wanted to use different tips than normally, because normally you see me guys working on those coffin shape tips, but then obviously the clients got a different size of the nails, and it would be nice to show you the designs on different sizes of the nails too, which is obviously much harder to paint it on the smaller size of the tips. Okay, now add more detail into the flower. and then give it a cure. Okay, same on this one. Now we are going to change the shapes. So again, paint the flower, maybe some buds as well. It looks pretty heavy because we are painting with black, but once we finish, you will be able to see it, how beautiful design it is going to be. And then give it a cure as well. Okay, so we've got those two, and then on this one we are going to do just some part of the similar design. Just so the things go together. And we flower on the side. And then give it a cure. Okay, our next part is to do some gold chrome. So that was the first flower. No, that was second. There we are, that was the first flower. So we are going to use some pigment to get a really nice look. And I will mix it two colors, like a bit of gold with those rose gold. Okay, and then wrap this in. Remove the excess and then apply the top coat. Just to protect the entire design. And then give it a cure. Do it on the next one. Protect it with the top coat. and then give it a cure. Next one. And give it a cure. And those chromes looks amazing on the nails. Now let's decorate the tips even more. So we are going to pick up our pinky because it's ready. So when we've got the sugar applied and you want to scratch the free edge to remove any excess of the sugar, and then using your brush, just clean the excess. And the sugar is absolutely fine to wear it on the nails, as long as this is a kind of fine glitter. I find it like some sugars come off quicker than the others, and this one, because it's so fine, it is not annoying for the clients, and it's also lasting much longer time as well. Okay, so the first flower is ready, and the next step you have to do it is take your small brush. Okay, so small brush and a top coat, and now we are going to sugar some parts as well. So the part I want to sugar is everything here. And then I want to also sugar this part. Take a sugar and sprinkle it. And the sugar will only stick into the fresh top coat you have painted. And then give it a cure. On this one, we can choose whichever you prefer it, like you could sugar this part or you could sugar a middle part. And I think sugaring a middle part would be pretty interesting. It is the part which is more time consuming because we've got this gold foil there, but let's do this one. So you have to be very careful when you're going around the design, just so you don't cover the transfer foil. Like, pretty difficult task. Don't go too close to the foil as well. Just because by the time you finish, the top coat might run into some places, like, and if you go too close, it will just cover your gold design. And take a sugar and sprinkle it. Tap to remove the excess and then give it a cure. And same on this one, we are going to go on the edges. So I have shown you a few different patterns just to give you an idea. Again, you could basically do 3 different sets with it because we have used 3 different designs. Because only one finger could be done this way with the flowers, and it will still look very, very pretty. Okay, take a sugar and sprinkle it. Absolutely great design for a wedding and for the clients which don't want the nails over the top. Now tidy up everything, and then I can show you the finished results of the full set. I also find that sugaring is much easier on the clients than on those display tips. So the first nail is ready. Take a brush and remove the excess. You can also scratch the free edge, as there are some parts which are on the free edge. I will also show you when I pull the blue tack off from the nails, they look much nicer as well, like much cleaner look, because the blue tack is showing through it, so it doesn't look as nice, the blue color from underneath. But I have no other color with me. So this nail, it was a ring finger, I think. Then we've got a middle finger. So again, give it a scratch. Remove the excess. And put the middle finger in there. Roses would look really lovely as well, but this one even, like, you know, so simple, like nothing over the top, just a couple of lines and then parts which is done with the sugar. We could also introduce some caviar bits and gems into that to make it an even richer and prettier set, but that's just some kind of quick wedding look, and I will show you at different angles as well, and then let the light hit the glitter. Oh, that's so beautiful colors now. Yeah, guys, I hope you have really enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. Glittery hacks, and bye for now.